video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install an illegal mechanic shop MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which we are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here. Over here you can see the preview images of the MLO. So to download the MLO, you just need to click over here. This MLO is completely free. Click on add to basket and download the MLO. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's teleport ourselves over here in this location. So let's go over there. So as you can see, this is our illegal mechanic MLO which is over here, as you can see. So from inside it will just look like this, as you can see over here. Here we have two working stations over here, as you can see. And here we got two workbenches. Here is the section of painting the vehicle. And here is the section of spare parts, as you can see over here. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.